you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for checking out my content. Big shout outs to all my new subscribers out there. Big shouts out to all my truth seekers out there. I hope that y'all loving on yourself today. I hope y'all coming on this page with an open heart, an open mind, and all of those high vibrational good things. So I wanted to talk about the lab grown meat that was just approved by the FDA about 2 days ago. The weird thing about all of this is the things that we have once called a conspiracy theory is now manifesting right in front of our face, literally. For those who know and for those who are consciously aware, we all know that people have been talking about processed meats for years. What's in the meat? What's in the food? I've even heard that there's human parts or human meat inside some of the meats that we eat or get from our favorite places. I'm going to say allegedly because you know if you fact check these things, they're going to tell you something different. And it's just unreal how we listen to these people and actually believe them. A lot of folks wake up to truth and allow other people to rock them right back to sleep. I would never understand it. But that is the one good thing about life that I do respect is everyone have their own mind to think for themselves. We're not all the same. We all are very diverse, and I cannot stress that enough. I always tell people what path is right for you is for you. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and get back into this lab meat ordeal. My family knows that when I refer to fast food restaurants, I always say, let me go get me a plastic burger, and we will all laugh. If I don't feel like cooking, I need something to eat right now, and the whole 9 yards, if I gotta go to McDonald's or I gotta go to one of these fast food restaurants, I always call it plastic. In my mind, it is so hard for me to even eat it because mentally I already know what I'm consuming. Now, I will say part of my own healing process is to get rid of some of these foods. We are so attached and so addicted to foods, people don't even realize it. It's the sugars, it's the salts. That's why when y'all eat the real, natural, healthy stuff, it tastes nasty to you because your taste buds has been destroyed by all of this flavorized type stuff. All right, you guys, so the FDA approved lab-grown meat for the first time. I'm going to say this, in my own opinion and in my own thought, this is not the first time. They may have approved it publicly to us for the first time, but I believe in my own heart and my own mind that they've been doing this to our meat. For the first time, the Drug and Health Administration has cleared lab-grown meat created from cultured animal cells for human consumption, the agency announced on Wednesday. The FDA green light applies only to chicken products made by Upside Foods, a California-based company founded in 2015, though in its announcement, the FDA said it is ready to work with other firms that are developing cultured animal cell food. So as I did my investigation, it looks like this meat is going to be grown from animal cells inside of a lab. I then took the time out to go to the company Upside's website. I've never heard it before. And it looks like they put a notification up on their website announcing this as well. We are one step closer to your dining tables. Upside Food has become the first company in the world to receive the U.S. Food and Drug Administration green light for cultivated chicken. This landmark regulatory decision means the FDA accepts our safety conclusion, and Upside's cultivated chicken will be available following USDA inspection and label approval. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be some type of special marking or labeling on this type of meat to let you know. But this is the catch right here people don't think about. When you go to the restaurants, you don't know what kind of meat they're buying. You don't know if it's going to be lab grown or real meat. And again, some people is not going to care. They're still going to go out here and buy this meat and eat this meat, just like the processed foods that we have. Even this information that comes out every day, all of the time, about the different foods that are not good or right for us. And some of us are still indulging in it. And you have every right to live your life the way you want to. These are your choices. These are your decisions. This is your life. None of us know our ending, but while we are here, we do have the ability to control our quality of life while we are here. We all have the ability to control the quality of our life, our health while we are here. So if you do not care about what you are consuming, then that is strictly on you. But when your health fails, you cannot expect folks to be remorseful, because that is the path that you chose to cause you to have such health issues. You have people that care, and you're going to have people that don't care. It's going to always be like that. So my videos are for the people who care. So for everyone else who do not care, that is your choice, your life, your decision. But all I'm asking respectfully is to not bring your friends and your family down when you have neglected your own self and degraded your own health because you chose not to take heed to what's going on around you.
That stands for fetal bovine serum, which is collected from the dying fetuses of slaughtered cows. It's pretty gruesome. And so far, scientists have not found a way to create lab-grown meat without it. Why is it so important?
I can't even get into full depth about this meat like I want to, because this will be a long video. I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to encourage each and every one of you guys to learn how to read and research things on your own. We have to stop looking at things and believing it and running with it. When you hear something, when someone says something, instead of you questioning them, where you get it from and what's this and what's that, and you want the answers and all that, stop doing that. That's a lazy spirit. Take the information that is given to you and you go do your own reading and research. Again, you guys, I am going through my own healing process when it comes to food, when it comes to dieting and eating right and things like that. These things do not happen overnight. I don't care what nobody says. It does not happen overnight. It is a struggle for some people. I understand, and I definitely get it. Just don't ever give up. That's all I ask. And do not allow these people to rush you through your healing. Do not allow anyone to rush you through your healing. When you are through with meat, you will be through with meat. When you are through with processed food, you will be through with processed food. It takes time. I still go back at times and get a plastic burger. Don't let these people sit up here and keep prejudging you. You get through your healing process the best way you know how. I don't know about nobody else, but seeing what's going on around us, what's happening, how we are at a spiritual war that many of you cannot even see through our food, our water, our air. All of these layoffs that's coming, is anybody paying attention? Everyone is just too comfortable. Y'all too comfortable for me. Like, ain't nobody like, it's just nothing. Everybody cool, calm, and collect. They still getting up every day in that hamster cage, going to work, taking care of their families, eating, sleeping, laying down. But they do not see and understand how the world is actually crumbling around us. Well, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. Y'all know my motto, love yourself. Think for yourself. And do not ever let anyone rock you back to sleep once you have been woken to reality. Until next time, stay woke.